to start to play soca on the drums. I have 4 steps, make it easy for you to start playing soca. Step 1, understand the basic groove that build up soca. In Latin music, they just call it clave or the basic groove or whatever. It goes like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I was to count this out, it would go to something like this: 2, 3, 4. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1. Step 2 is adding the right hand on the hi-hat. The hi-hat just plays straight 8 notes, like this. If you haven't played this beat before, start very slow, just to get the coordination from the left hand and the right hand. 50 BPM. Make sure you get it on a slow tempo and get it good. Get the groove in your hands and in your head and in your body. And after that, you can speed it up very slowly. You can go like from 50 to 60. And just very slowly, just go up like 10 BPM or whatever feels comfortable for you. Go up to 70, 80, 90. And around 90, 100, 110, you can start to feel more like a beat. Something you can want to dance to. Here it is at 100 BPM. Okay, once the hands are comfortable, join the bass drum. Bass drum basically plays 4 on the floor, like this. Add in the bass drum at a slow tempo first. Get comfortable with the arms and the legs together. Go like this. Once you start to feel the rhythm, then you could go and raise up the tempo slowly and higher and higher and higher till you could play along with some good songs. Here's the beat at 70 BPM. And here's, for example, at 110. Yeah, 110 start to feel like something, eh? You can play soca at different tempos, depends how fast the song is. So from 90 to 100, all the way up to 160, 170. One tip, the beat we play now is a very basic and driving beat with a snare drum. Very often you will hear them leave away the first note. The note was on the 1. I'll play the notes with a different sound so you can hear which note I'm going to leave away. So that note falling on the 1, you can leave that away and you get a little bit more bouncy groove. So the difference is more like a feel thing. The first groove we play is more, the snare is more driving the groove, driving the beat, driving the song. And the second one, when you leave away the first note of the count, that's more like a bouncy groove. Depends on the song, depends what you like, and depends what all the other instruments playing. That's the beat you can choose. And the last tip, play along with some soca songs. That's the best way to get into the groove. So to finish it off, one short example from Bunji Garlin. All of them is a groovy soca. You can just, it's a good song to practice along. It's a medium tempo song, so you can just take it easy and practice along. I'll probably put some songs in the description, so you can pick out some songs, some easy-going songs to start with. Of course, they have a lot more soca songs, but I can't list all of them. Yes, so that's it. If you have any questions or remarks, leave a comment below, and I'll see you next time.
Julian Promotions. Tell them, check. We in everything, yeah, everything. We in everything. We rolling in all of them. Hey, it could be in a my tie, could be in a black tie party. Tell them it ain't no problem. We rolling in all of them. Hey, it could be in a central bank or you're calling inclusive. I don't tell all of them. I like to frolic plenty, so from early in the year I save. I don't buy my ticket to all parties, so this season I'm pulling up bread. So when I reach something on your venue, don't bother ask me who link you, who send you. I just picking out artists and shows with me like food and a Japanese menu. Now I watch all my friends them good last year, they party for the whole year straight. And this season